G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2017 Ranger Wildtrak, which is a manual. Very hard combination to come with in the manual now, pretty rare to find, and this vehicle has got a lot of features, so I'll try and point out as many as I can. I do apologise if I do forget any, but it does have loads of features over and above your standard Wildtrak. So the reason we do these videos is to give you a really good indication the car that you're looking at with us. We'll go right around the exterior, take you through the interior of the car, and I'll take you through the interior as well. So we'll start from the rear door and we'll work our way around, and I'll try and point out all the features as we walk away through the car itself. So as you'll see, rear door paint condition is fantastic, down to your factory side steps, which are in great order. Heading up to your front door on the driver's side, your Wildtrak emblem there, really clean condition of the paintwork. Beautiful condition, and the tricky thing is manual. They don't come up that often anymore now, so a lot of people are a bit lazy now and drive automatic. So if you're a manual lover, this one is a perfect one for you. Set of aftermarket flares has been fitted to this Ranger, so really tough looking flares on the exterior. Also a set of Goodrich tyres fitted all the way around, so really good quality tyres, and with your CSA aftermarket alloy wheels as well. Coming to the front of the vehicle, does have a replacement steel Bullbar at the lower section. I believe it's a hammer bar. I've never seen one of these before. It's a hammer bar, which is a bar replacement bar. The front of the vehicle does have factory front sensors, and also your little lights on the bottom, and also your underbody protection as well, which you may or may not see from the video, but it does have the underbody protection as well. But it does give it that nice, tough, aggressive look on the front end of the vehicle. Passenger front guard, again with that aftermarket flares, looks phenomenal. Again, your BFG Goodrich All Terrains with your CSA alloy wheels in great order as well. Coming up to bonnet, just to complete the paint condition of the front end of the vehicle. As you'll see, really clean condition, beautiful condition. And these are the days where we will see everything. If it's a nice sunny day, if there is any imperfection, we normally see them pretty quickly. Heading along the passenger side front doors, as you'll see, the front door and the rear door all the way down, really clean throughout. Your Wildtrak emblems in great condition again. Your lower side step, which are factory side steps as well, are in great condition. Back to your rear door on that passenger side, really clean throughout. Again, no damage on that section as well. Your factory side plane, or sailplane I think they call them from memory, on the Ranger Wildtrak, and the only other option over and above your standard section on the tub area is your Rhino racks, which have been fitted to the back end of the tailgate or the tub ute of the Ranger. So really good if you're handy with kids' snorkels or whatever they may have, surfboards, planks of wood, whatever it may be, really handy for storage on top of that ute as well. Coming back to your rear end, again your aftermarket flares with your BFG Goodriches and your CSA alloys. Again, the flares are in great condition as well. Just a tough, aggressive looking ute, really does look great, this one. And again, all the Wildtraks we normally sell pretty quick, and this one I don't think will last long either, just in the way it has been fitted out. Coming to the back end of the vehicle, really clean on that tailgate section. Up to your roller shutter, really clean again. Again, I've done photos of the tub section. It does have a tub liner standard, which you'll see that on the photos on the website. Your rear protection step with your factory reverse sensors does have a tow bar fitted as well. But really clean condition, as you'll see all around the back end of that vehicle. Again, presents really, really well. Coming to the rear quarter bar and rear tub section on the driver's side, again, condition of the paintwork, flawless again, absolutely phenomenal. And that flare area again is great condition again, and then finishing off with your BFG Goodrich on the driver's rear, and your CSA alloy wheels are in great condition as well. So I'll take you through the interior. Interior phenomenal as well, really clean throughout. So we'll start from the door card on that driver's side, really clean condition again. Has been cared for really well, this utility. Your factory Wildtrak mats, and then your leather interior with your orange stitching. Again, really clean condition. Probably one of the cleanest 2017 Rangers I've seen for a while. Normally they're a bit rough interior wise with families, but this one has been looked after really well. So previous client has done really well in looking after the exterior as well as the interior as well. Just beautiful condition. Your back seats again present beautifully again. No major tears or splits in the seats, but just beautiful condition. And looks great with the orange stitching in the Wildtraks as well. The earlier shapes with the orange stitching looks fantastic. Back to your driver's section, driver's door card again. Really clean condition. electric seat for the driver, and again your carpet floor mats being your Wildtrak, and then back to your interior. Again, really clean condition, no damage on the seats. Again, your embroidery Wildtrak embroidery on the driver and the passenger seat, absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful condition. Now I'm going to jump inside the unit. It's quite warm outside. We'll get in the aircon just to show you through all the features interior wise. Alright, so current kilometres as we speak is 281,646. I'm just going to turn that fan speed there because it's quite noisy. Steering wheel, you do have your Bluetooth buttons and your infotainment system buttons on the top of your steering wheel there, or the top buttons of your steering wheel. Your cruise control again with your infotainment settings for your center cluster on that side as well. Coming across your stereo system, it does have your dual climate control. Again, heated front seats are standard in the Wildtrak, so we'll turn them off because they are quite warm today. Oh, sorry, the screen's a bit scratchy because it's filming at the same time. You do have Bluetooth compatibility. Back to your audio screen. And again, the screen it's just playing up with my camera, but the screen is fine. Factory satellite navigation, which is all standard, so I apologise, it does go funny when we're filming at the same time with those screens. But your screen, as you'll see, as I pull the camera down, is working fine. Again, your dual climate control buttons you can use from here also on your main screen. Your 12-volt plug and your USB ports down beneath. Again, your 6-speed manual transmission, your 4x4 dials in the centre, and also your Redarc electric brake unit. And just with your reverse, I'm not sure if you've driven a manual on a Ranger Wildtrak before, but you do have your lever beneath the gear knob here, so to engage reverse, lift that knob up across to your left. Again, your reverse camera will come up automatically, so just remember that little dial section here. And then if you want to engage first, it's just up and across, so it won't engage reverse unless you use that lever beneath that transmission. So really easy system to use and beautiful in the manual. These manual transmissions in the Rangers are nice and smooth, so being the 3.2 litre, plenty of grunts in them as well, so really for the age and case this car's travelled, it presents really well. So I'll jump outside, we'll wrap up the video. If you have any questions moving forward in relation to this ute or anything else we have in stock here at Your Next Car, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. You can either speak with either Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you very well. But as you'll see, condition-wise of this Ranger Wildtrak, absolutely phenomenal. So just to recap, it does have the aftermarket Rhino roof racks, your BF Goodrich All Terrain tyres, your CSA aftermarket alloys, aftermarket flares, your hammer steel replacement Bullbar, underbody protection. Absolutely so many goodies this ute has got, but just really clean and great value for money. So please give us a call here at the dealership if you have any questions. But again, hopefully we've found the right ute for you and you've enjoyed the video. Have a great day.